got black, I got white, what you want? Hop outside a ghost and hop up in a fan, I know I'm about to blow, whoa, whoa, when you done. They tryna take my floor, I take their ass for ransom. I know that I'm gone.
What is going on, YouTube? It's Age back finally with a brand new video. As you can tell, some changes have been made. I'm out here appropriating cultures and shit. Gang gang. Just kidding. But on a serious note, I apologize for being away from the channel for about a month now. Unfortunately, this little SD card here containing 128 gigabytes of memory unfortunately is corrupt, and this had quite a bit of videos that I had on it for multiple things. I think I had 3 or 4 different vlogs, all of my Coachella footage, some footage from the 50th State Fair here in Hawaii, and then several other thrifting and sneaker and streetwear related videos were all on there, and unfortunately the SD card is now corrupt. I'm trying to figure out, or trying to find a way that I can get it uncorrupt, because I know there are ways, because I've literally done nothing with it. It was just literally in my camera, and I just kept recording new shit without editing any videos, and that was probably the death of me. Luckily I did make one vlog from that Coachella trip earlier this year. But it's unfortunate that I'm missing all the footage from 420, which was Kid Cudi's performance, and he brought out Kanye, and then I don't have anything from the Kanye Sunday service from Coachella. Fortunately, I did record videos on my phone just for personal use, but I probably won't end up using that for a vlog until I could get that information fixed. But yeah, so during that time I have amassed so much shit that I haven't unboxed yet. Today I'll be doing 5 sneakers. I do have a bunch of other sneakers that I haven't unboxed over here on this side, but I'll probably do those on a different video, and that is because all of these sneakers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes, are all Jordan 1s over the past few months that I have not unboxed any of these shoes. Actually, one of these shoes is probably from like February, and I just haven't even shown it, let alone unds it. So without further ado, we'll go ahead and get into the unboxing. Bang. So first things first, I do have this brown Air Jordan 1 box. All of you probably know what this is. I did do an unboxing of this maybe a couple, three videos ago. However, this is my second pair, and there we can see that pink paper. Of course, I have the receipt on the front, because there are a lot of these that are going around that are fake, and they are the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s once again. Now this is my second pair, also in a size 10.5. Kept one to rock, kept one to stock. Such a beautiful shoe. I'm not going to say too much more on these, just because I made a whole like 15-minute video dedicated to the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 that you can watch. I'll put the link in the description if you haven't already watched it. First off on a long list of Air Jordan 1s to add to the collection, one more pair of Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s, the Cactus Jack Air Jordan 1s. Next on the list, we have this basic black Air Jordan 1 box with the gold metallic logo, also size 10.5. These are the Pine Green and Sail Air Jordan 1 mids. Dang. Honestly, this is such a nice colorway. I could care less that it is a mid. This actually looks nicer to me than the Pine Green ones, the Pine Green highs, which I still have yet to been able to get my hands on. And the reason why I really like these is because it kind of reminded me of the Heineken Nike SB Dunk Low, which is one of my favorite SBs. Actually, I might have some artwork that I got done. Give me a quick second. Boom. Yeah, so here is one of my favorite Nike SBs ever. Back when I was really into Nike SBs, I probably had 3 or 4 pairs of the Heineken SBs, and I actually got this commissioned by my longtime friend and a local graffiti artist, Sewer. That's the homie. Over here, I'm not sure if you can read it, but it says Age. as my name, and yeah, there's the year 2013 I got this commissioned. Yeah, there's a little Heineken bottle there. But yeah, the reason why I really like these is because it looks extremely similar to the Nike SB Heineken. Unfortunately, I sold my last pair, I want to say in 2016, to the homie Ross. I sold it to him for like $300, and now they're going for like 1K, $800 to $1,000, which is ridiculous. Bought these. I bought actually 2 pairs of these for retail, which was 120 bucks. So 120 bucks for this shoe, which is not bad at all. They do look very similar to one of my favorite Air Jordan 1s to rock, the Celtics Air Jordan 1s. So you can see here, not much of a difference, but the green all around, the pine green all around, makes quite the difference. Throw some red shoelaces on there and you got yourself an Air Jordan 1 mid Heineken. Very nice. Dead stuff. Now that I finally showed these, I could probably rock them. I bought these all the way in like February, so it's been a long time coming. So yes, for the next 3 shoes, they are all brand new in these Nike Just Do It taped boxes. I haven't even opened them, so I'm not even sure which shoe is which. But yeah, these are some of the sneakers that I got off the sneakers app over the past few months. We'll go ahead and start with the top one. Oh fuck, I just broke the blade. Anyways, once again, we have the Nike Air Jordan 1 high box. Here is the receipt I have for it. And these are... okay, these are the Air Jordan 1 Defiant. This is the Paris to NYC pair, I want to say, which is the combination of the Nike Air Jordan 1 and the Nike SB Dunk High. There you can see the Nike SB paper. So we open these up. This is the Defiant one. Now these, I did get off the sneakers app, were not very hard to get. They actually sat on shelves for a little while here locally, and then as well on the sneakers app. I think the larger sizes were readily available. These are going for close to retail right now. However, I did see them spike up a little bit for some of the smaller sizes. It comes with 4 different pairs of laces. We have the black that's on them, the gray to match the tonal gray, this peach color which matches the color of the pink when this rubs off, as you can see by the lining over there, and this highlighter pink one, which I find, or not highlighter pink, but I guess hot pink, which I find to be extremely ugly. Not much to say about these. They did come out with another pair, the LA to Chicago ones, which a lot more people like, and those ones are going for like $300 to $400. I would say those are a better colorway just because these are a little bit tonal and kind of plainish, but I'm not hating. Right there we have the Nike SB on the tongue, black swoosh, gray all the way around, and all this gray rubs off to be this pink to match that peachy pink color, that nude pink color. I think the official colorway is light bone and black and crimson tint. So crimson tint, which is another one that I think's in these boxes. But yeah, very nice pair of shoes. Retail was $175. I think I paid like $190 after taxes, or like $185 after taxes, which is not bad. But it is close to what they're going for. Probably end up rocking these eventually. I just have so many shoes that I haven't worn yet, as you can see by the unopened boxes of shoes. So there's that. Moving on. Once again, we have another Air Jordan 1 high box. This one is a size 12. What the fuck is this? Oh, Okay. I was like, size 12? I am not a size 12. Okay, so this is a size 12 in women's. This is the Air Jordan 1 Twist. I was damn near confused. I was hella pissed. I was like, I haven't opened these, so I can't return them because it's been so long. But it is the Air Jordan 1 Twist, the women's Air Jordan 1 Twist, which is an extremely cool take on the black and white Air Jordan 1. Give me a quick second. I think I have my 2015 pair. All right, so yeah, so this is the 2015 men's, or 2015 Air Jordan 1 High black and white, and this is the Twist. Let me move that lace pack. As you can see, it's the exact same thing, even down to the white wings. However, this is embossed, and then this one is like a piece of plastic on top of the furry part. The leather is a lot more luxe. This is like a tumbled leather versus this one just being your standard Air Jordan 1 leather. And then all around, if you can see, it's got this fur on it, which I fucking love. So a size 12 in women's is a 10.5 in men's, which is my size. They come with black laces as well as an extra pair of white laces. Yeah, so pretty much identical. Pretty much identical to the 2015 pair. You know, black soles. Just the difference in materials used for the leather, the well, of course this part is fur, and then the wings. I really like these though. This is ridiculously cool. It's kind of like pony hair, if you've bought anything with pony hair. But very cool. Reminds me of the Panda Nike SBs or the Panda Dunks that came out quite some time ago with the like cages as the special box, and I thought that was super sick. Oh yeah, and the swoosh as well is also made of that hair, that pony hair. I wonder if it says, yeah. One of the official colorways says it's metallic gold, but I don't see any metallic. Oh, you know what?
It's probably...
Yeah, not sure where that metallic gold colorway comes from, but they do have metal lace tips here. Whereas the 2015 pair is just the little plastic ones. Very nice though. I really like it, and it feels very luxurious. And like I seen a pair of pony hair Rick Owen Ramones the other day, and I was like, dang, that's super nice. And I completely forgot I even bought these, so that's super funny. There, bang. On to the very last shoe. Alrighty, so last and certainly not least, of course we have the receipt there. So that box to the side. These are the Air Jordan 1 Hyper Pink Crimson Tint 1s, Crimson Tint 1 highs. Now these are another very, I want to say these are slept on, however they did sell out initially. They didn't sell out. They sold out in a lot of places initially, but then they ended up sitting on sneakers for a while. I do think these will probably go up in the future just because the colorway is so out there. Of course you have that Crimson Tint Pink, or Hyper Pink. Let me see what is the official color. Yeah, Crimson Tint. Crimson Tint wrapped on the back heel cup, the collar, or the wings over here, on the swoosh, and the bottoms. The leather is actually this also tumbled leather, but it's like the extremely wrinkled pebbled tumble leather, and then the regular leather right there. They do come with 3 sets of laces, black, this weird green color, which I did see some people rocking with it, but I think it's so strange, this color, and then the matching Crimson Tint Hyper Pink laces with the green to match these lace tips. So yeah, so these are going for roughly like around retail to under retail. Yeah, I would say if you want a pair, you can get them for fairly cheap. A used pair can definitely be under retail. I actually just recently sold a size 12 that I got in a trade to Harbor's Vintage, the homies at Harbor's Vintage, for like $100. So yeah, like I'm pretty sure you could find some pairs for pretty cheap. Yeah, not much to say about these. That was 3 pairs of Air Jordan 1s that had pink with them. The Travis Scott's, these, and the Defiant ones. So yeah, I'll go ahead and do some B-roll, and then yeah, that'll be the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like what you saw, please feel free to subscribe if you haven't already. I'm gonna definitely be making a few more videos more sooner than later, just because I've been so behind with the corruption on the last SD card. I've got literally a ton of shit that I need to unbox or show you guys that I've been wanting to. I actually have a whole like vinyl toy and plush haul that I've been wanting to show you, so I can add shit to this wall. I got some Nike SBs and some other skate shoes that I ended up copying, and yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching once again, and I'll catch you guys next time. Here's some B-roll.
I got black, I got white, what you want? Hop outside a ghost and hop up in a fan, I know I'm about to blow, oh, oh, when you done. They tryna take my floor, I take their ass for ransom. I know that I'm gone, they see me blowing up, now they say they want some. I got 2 twin glocks, turn you to a dancer. I see 2 twin eyes, leaving one band on. I got 2 thick thighs, wanna link the